We are all familiar with snoring. If we are not the main culprits of this noisy nighttime problem, we know someone who is. According to the National Sleep Foundation, 90 million American adults snore sometimes, and 37 million people snore regularly. The causes of snoring are usually not serious. However, it may indicate that changes to lifestyle would improve a person's health. There are a couple of ways to deal with snoring, some medical and some natural. Medical treatment is usually recommended for extreme scenarios, like when your snoring results in sleep apnea. But before turning to medical treatment, try out these natural snoring remedies that work like a charm. People who are overweight are 2 times more likely to snore than those who aren't. The reason is simple: overweight people carry extra fat around their necks, which narrows their airways and causes them to snore. Eating a calorie-controlled, healthful diet, and regularly exercising are the best ways to lose weight. Lying on your back makes the base of your tongue and soft palate collapse to the back wall of your throat, causing a vibrating sound during sleep. Sleeping on one side may allow the air to flow more smoothly, reducing the vibrations, which may either stop the sound of a snore or make it quieter. Alcohol and sedatives reduce the resting tone of the muscles in the back of your throat, making it easier for you to snore. Avoiding alcohol before bed may reduce or stop snoring. Drink plenty of fluids is always a good idea, particularly for snorers. Dehydration leads to mucus forming in your nose, which could make you snore. According to the Institute of Medicine, healthy women should have about 11 cups of total water a day, and men should have 16 cups. Poor sleep habits can have effects like that of drinking alcohol. Exhaustion can relax your throat and tongue muscles and cause you to snore. It's essential to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Snoring can often be conquered with just a handful of positive changes to your sleep routine. Try different snoring solutions and find out what works best for you. We hope you enjoyed the video. Share your thoughts in the comments sections below.